In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a quiz in Google Forms. We'll start right from the template screen in Google Forms. Open Google Forms in your browser and make sure you're signed in so your work saves automatically. You'll see a handful of starter options on the main page, but to see everything available, look for the Template Gallery button near the top and click it. This expands a full library of ready-made forms, organized by category, which is helpful if you want a head start. For a clean, grading-ready setup, scroll through the gallery and select Blank Quiz. This template is designed specifically for quizzes, so the quiz features are already turned on. Give it a second to load and you'll land in the editor with a default untitled quiz. Begin by naming your quiz at the top and adding a brief description to set expectations, like time limits or allowed resources. Then move to the first question. Click where it says Untitled Question. Type your prompt and use the drop-down on the right to choose the question type. Multiple choice, checkboxes, short answer, and more. For multiple choice or checkboxes, add each option in its own line. If you need more items, click the plus button on the side to add another question, or use the duplicate icon to reuse a format you like. Toggle required when a question must be answered before submission. You can also organize longer quizzes with sections if you want to separate topics or create pages, making it easier for respondents to navigate. Next, set up grading so the quiz can check itself. Open answer key on each question, choose the correct answer or answers, and assign a point value. For checkboxes, be sure to mark every correct option. For short answers, you can enter one or more acceptable correct responses to catch common variations in spelling or phrasing. If you want, you can add brief answer feedback to explain why an answer is correct, or point learners to a helpful hint after they submit. Before you share the quiz, take a moment to review everything. Read each question out loud to catch typos, confirm that point totals align with your grading plan, and double-check that the correct answers are selected in the answer key. Use the preview icon to test the quiz the same way your respondents will, and submit a test response to make sure scoring behaves as expected. When you're satisfied, click Send to share the quiz. You can copy a link to post anywhere or embed it on a website. That's it. You've built a self-grading quiz in Google Forms.